a vast tapestry of Westeros, where the threads of fate are as intricate as the labyrinthine streets of King's Landing. A neat chapter is being written that echoes the echoes of the past. House of the Dragon, the latest saga in the Game of Thrones saga, has introduced us to Daemon Targaryen, a character who, in the Earth, where survey story to a women may work, and then describes when we compete these complicated stories, and then being together as part of these. The parallels between Daemon and Jon are not immediately apparent, but as the story unfolds, they become strikingly clear. Both characters, driven by a sense of duty and a deep-seated loyalty to the Targaryen crown, find themselves at odds with their own ambitions. Jon Snow, with his unwavering moral compass and his pledge to protect the realm from the White Walkers, and Daemon Targaryen, with his fiery temper and his eventual commitment to Rhaenyra's cause, both find themselves in a position where their personal desires must be set aside for the greater good. It is in the visions of Aegon's dream that Daemon, like Jon, is confronted with the specter of the White Walkers. The realization that the threat of a long night is not just a legend, but a looming danger. Prompts both characters to place their allegiance with the reigning Targaryen queen, Jon with Daenerys and Daemon with Rhaenyra. They each swear to serve the Targaryen queen in the face of an existential threat. The similarities between Jon and Daemon do not end with their allegiance to the Targaryen cause. Both characters, despite their flaws, are ultimately redeemed by their willingness to sacrifice for the greater good. Jon's decision to kill Daenerys to preserve the realm is mirrored by Daemon's decision to fight and ultimately die in a duel with Daemon Targaryen, ensuring the safety of Rhaenyra's claim to the throne. But the connection between Jon and Daemon runs deeper than just their actions. Daemon is, in fact, Jon's ancestor, a thread in the same tapestry that binds them together. The lineage of House Targaryen, through which Jon's blood flows, includes Daemon's descendants. This connection, spanning centuries, speaks to the cyclical nature of power and destiny in the Games of Thrones saga. And as House of the Dragon continues to unfold, Daemon's story is intertwined with the legacy of Jon Snow, a reminder of the enduring legacy of the Targaryen family and the enduring themes of duty, loyalty, and sacrifice that have defined the saga of Westeros. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the fire burning in your heart, for in the Game of Thrones you win or you die.